Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to, well, yeah, my channel basically. I don't often obviously do as many reviews on stuff as I used to, like airsoft and all that kind of stuff, but I would like to try and get more into that as well as my gaming. But obviously it's just getting the stuff to review. But I have a few things that I want to review that I've got actually, and I may be keeping it. I probably won't be keeping it. In fact, there's only one thing that I will be keeping, which is what I'll be reviewing today. The other two, I'll probably be giving them away at some point. I'm first gonna test them out to see if they're actually worth giving away. Because, well, yeah, we'll get back to that in another video. But for now, let's just get down to this one. In today's video, I've got the SNOWBALL ICE. It's the black edition. Now, excuse the box, it is dented for some reason. Whoever packaged this packaged it like a complete noddy. So yeah, you can see the box itself is a bit damaged over there. But I'm hoping the kit inside is not damaged though. I'm hoping it's protected rather well. But yeah, that's what it comes like, the black edition SNOWBALL. It's also just a plug in, and plug into USB and off you go. So yeah, it says there on the side, plug and play USB Microsoft, microphones, blah de blah de blah. So you can obviously see there for yourself. Yeah, it looks good. I haven't tried it before. I've been told it works wonderful for the price as well. Now, I think the white and the silver are a lot cheap, are a bit cheap. I think it's about like £5-10, depends in what region you're in. This one was about 60 pounds. I think. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember. I've got a memory like Dolby. But anyway, yeah. I think this is about £60. I think the silver and the white are like £50 to £45, give or take. Because I don't think they've actually ever made black editions. They've only ever done the silver and the white, especially the white was, I think, the first one to be released. This is, I assume, the new gen or the newer version. Color-wise, maybe they've bettered the equipment or whatnot. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time. I had originally used a like a 15, I think it was a 15-20 pound mic. It wasn't the best. It did the job. There was a lot of background noise. I'm hoping this one should do a lot better. But without blabbering on, let me open the box so you guys can actually see what's inside of it. Yeah, so I'm hoping we're going to do more of my gaming videos and commentary. It's not going to have that background noise because it can really get annoying. But nevertheless, it's just one of those things. I can edit it out. It's just, having the chance to do it, because obviously I've got so many other things to do at the same time. And where I work a night shift as well, it's kind of like kind of tiring and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so obviously you get a little box over here. I'll just take everything else out first, and then we can get down to it. Well, it looks like we get two boxes, and it looks like it wasn't damaged because you had these two legs, which you can see it took the grunt of the damage, basically, which is, thank goodness, in my perspective. So yeah, that's that. So I'll put that out the way over there. And yeah, let's get down to the actual mic itself. It's quite cool, actually. Just, I can get very clumsy at times, so I don't want to like drop it or breaking the thing without actually getting to use it. So yeah, just slide it out like that, and so a ball pops out, Yeah, just a little ball like that. Nothing too crazy. It's actually kind of quite small. Really nice. My hands aren't big by any chance, so don't think that, oh my god, this thing is so tiny, or your hands really big. They're not though. It's actually really small if you want to, yeah. But anyway, this is the mic. It looks like it's got like a little red dot on the top, which I assume most of them have, or all of them have. So I'm gonna put that there for the meantime. As long as it doesn't roll off the desk, we're all good. Because that would kind of suck. I could only assume this is the legs for it though. And your USB port, yep, cables, and the little holder, which actually is quite I must admit, I'm actually quite impressed, because the one I bought for 15, 20 pounds was actually a plastic. There's a bit of weight to it, but I think especially the legs for it, it's really got a bit of weight to it. I think they were made of steel. Really, really good quality. Not bad. Yeah, it's definitely steel, that's for sure. Really impressed. At least, if anything, if anything had to go wrong, these aren't gonna break. Not a chance. They're definitely gonna hold. So yeah, let's undo that. The mic now. Wow, that is gorgeous. I must admit, that is actually stunning. I love the matte black, and then you got the chrome. Obviously where it says Snowball, or sorry, blue. That's actually really nice. I must admit, it's absolutely beautiful. And then it has a Snowball Ice, obviously with it all engraved. Well, not engraved, but all done there. Blue microphone, Snowball Ice. No, that's actually really nice. Really, really nice. I'm really impressed with it. And then obviously you got I'm assuming that's the PowerPoint over there. Yeah, that looks like that's the PowerPoint over there. So obviously that's where screws underneath, which we'll do right away. So again, just if you guys don't know what to do, ask a friend, ask family. Me, I just play by ear, really. OMG, can I not get this thing on now? Am I that? At least clockwise, I'm not stupid, I don't know that much. It's just, I think where it's got a very tiny thread, it can be a bit tricky to put on, because obviously the bigger the thread is, or the wider they are apart, the easier it is to screw it on. But the closer they are together, it can be a bit tricky to find that bite point. But I got it on in the end. But yeah, there we go. That screws that on, and there we go, guys. That's basically it. You can obviously set how you want it to. Oh, I actually got on again, because I think the weight of it. Yeah, there we go. I was gonna say it seemed a bit wonky, but yeah. So that's how it sits, as you can see. Obviously I'm not gonna put my hand because it'll just fall off, but yeah, it sits basically like that. No, it's actually really nice, I must admit. I do like it. I do like it indeed. Let me know what you guys think of this mic, if you guys would actually buy one, or if you guys would recommend anything else to me. But I think for the price of and the value and what you get out of it is definitely worth the price. You can get the white and the silver one. I don't think there's any difference to it. I think it's just the color. I think that's why it's a bit more expensive, because where it's a newer version to the old one, the internals, I could only think that they're the same. Don't quote me on it. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section down below. If I am, I'm so new to all of this kind of stuff myself. But yeah, guys, this is the Snowball Ice Black Edition. Yeah, and that's all that there is to it. Solid legs. The whole frame is solid. There's a bit of weight to the ball, so the ball on the outside's plastic. The internal's obviously metal and whatnot. But yeah, the arm itself is all metal. So if you put it down hard, it's not gonna break. It's not gonna do anything. But oh yeah, and obviously you get your wires, which is obviously your USB, which plugs into the PC, and then the back point, which plugs into the mic, which powers it all up. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this video. If it's been in any help, you know what to do. Smack a like, comment down below, stay awesome, share the love. I appreciate the support, guys. Anyway, guys, you have a fantastic day. I'm out. Peace.